What's going on YouTube? It's your boy DeVintage back with another video, man. And as you seen in the beginning of the video, I had an unboxing, man, and I have not checked out this shoe yet. I'm gonna keep it true and original and get that first real reaction, man. So we're gonna get right into the shoebox, and I'm gonna show y'all what I caught my first sneaker pickup in about, about a month and a half. So I'm very excited because I used to buy shoes all the time. Like, used to be a pair of shoes every week I got. So this pair right here, hopefully it lives up to the potential, man, for me buying this shoe after so long. So let's get right into the box. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, ring the notification bell for your boy, and I ain't gonna talk no more. We'll get into it. So I just hit with the box, regular Air Jordan 3 box, got the elephant print around there, as you can see, and I got a size 9 like you seen in the beginning of the B-roll. And we about to get into it, man. Set that down. Got the little elephant print right there. Let me turn that brightness down for y'all so y'all can check it out. And you see, got the elephant print, and we're gonna open it up, man. Let's get it. Bam, there go my first sneaker pickup in over a month and a half, bro. It's crazy. And there they are. I did like a little blackout theme for the thumbnail, but as y'all can see, the shoes are blacked out all the way. And these right here, man, are fire, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. Maybe it's just I ain't bought shoes in so long, but these shoes right here are fire, bro. Straight fire. I don't know if they straight fire, but they like, they fire, bro. I ain't gonna say they fire, they fire. They fire. So here you go right here, Air Jordan 3 Flyknits. Go ahead and check them out, man. I'm gonna pull the other shoe out right quick for y'all. I'm gonna set this box down. So as you can see, I copped the Air Jordan 3 Flyknits, the all black ones. So we thought these were gonna release back in May, I believe, or June, but they pushed it all the way back till August, man. And here you have it. I'm thinking about doing a review and on feet. I might not even do a review and on feet. I might just do an on feet for y'all. But here you go right here. Just check these beauties out. And as y'all already know, because the shoe is kind of old, it's not new anymore. So, you got the glow in the dark outsoles. I try to put a picture in there for y'all. But like I said, I want to do it on feet. And yeah, man, this all around Flyknit upper. Pretty much like the wool 3s they hit us with back in 2016, but all black. So the wool 3s, man, I don't know if y'all was following me on my Snapchat back in July or back in April when I was in Georgia. They had the wool 3s for $90, bro, which is crazy, man. But here you have it, Air Jordan 3 Flyknits. So let me know in the comment section below if y'all want to see a quick review and on feet of these, or y'all just want to see it on foot, because I'm gonna hit y'all with that video maybe separately, because if I do just on feet, I'm gonna throw in some other 3s and I'm gonna throw in some outfits. So y'all let me know if y'all want to see that, or let me know if y'all just want to see a review and on feet of these. Like I said, they came out last week, and they came out over here on the Footlocker .eu, or the Europe version of Footlocker. And I checked them out this Saturday, and I was like, I got a cop, man. So I was so eager this weekend to buy a pair of shoes, and I finally had did it. So hey, man, give your boy a round of applause real quick. Give me a round of applause. All right, thank you for that, man. So like I said, this is it. This is what I caught, and I'm feeling them. Not even gonna lie, this might be a little dope fit, man. And the only all black shoes I got are the all black, the Black Cat 13s. And these right here, I feel like I like way more than the 13s. So I'm not gonna hold y'all no more. I hope y'all enjoyed my recent pickup, my first pickup in a long time. I don't know what I'm gonna name this video, but I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I sure enjoyed it. So with all that being said, make sure you like. Let's get this video up to 100 likes. Make sure you comment. Let me know if you grabbed a pair of these, or let me know if you sleeping on them, man. And also subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, man. Follow me on Snapchat and on Instagram, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Let me know if you want to see a review and on feet, or just on feet with some outfits, man. Let me know. Peace.